Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken patties with canned chicken. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 12-ounce can of chicken, well drained, along with one large egg and about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs to act as a binder. For flavor, grab 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. You can also add 2 tablespoons of finely diced vegetables like celery or bell pepper for a fresh touch. These ingredients will form the perfect base for delicious patties. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get mixing. Start by flaking the drained canned chicken in a medium bowl. Make sure it's well shredded. Next, add your large egg, the 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and all your seasonings to the bowl. Gently mix everything together until it's just combined. Avoid overmixing. Once combined, divide the mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions and carefully form them into patties, each about 1/2 inch thick. This ensures they cook evenly and beautifully. It's time to cook these delicious patties. You have a few great options. For pan frying, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium heat and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. If baking, place them on a baking sheet and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. For an air fryer, set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, turning once. Always ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade chicken patties. These versatile patties are fantastic on toasted buns with all your favorite burger fixings, like lettuce, tomato, and a slice of cheese. They also make a wonderful addition to a light lunch when served with a crisp green salad or a side of roasted vegetables. Don't forget a delicious dipping sauce, such as honey mustard or a zesty barbecue sauce. These patties are also great for meal prepping, staying fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.